Hi, welcome to this More4apps video. I'll demonstrate how to update the inverse usage on routings. First, I download a single routing. And then I set the upload actions. Firstly, I set the upload action at the header, then at the operation. I modify the inverse usage and I clear out the usage. I set the upload action. I could even clear out resources and operations I don't need to load or validate. And I press the upload button. This validates the data in the worksheet, and then it calls Oracle's API, and the routing resource is updated. I can also use the download form to pull back multiple routing resources by applying criteria. I select my inventory org. I set my item statuses so I only bring back active items, and I'll exclude ATO items. And I then select the resource that I want to bring back. So this will bring back all the routings for this particular resource. And as you can see, quite a few different routings have been returned. Here I want to perform a mass change on the inverse usage. To do this, I apply a formula where the new value equals the old value multiplied by 0.95. You'll notice how I just moved the inverse column across so it can take that old value, and simply press upload. And by using the default, this will apply that formula to all those resource usages. And you'll see the last one has failed. And this has happened because this is a referenced resource, so it's an expected failure. And it's that easy to change your inverse usages on a routing with More4apps.